Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PowerPoint. You will enter to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find PowerPoint and then we click here. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.